Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I will be doing Excel BI challenge number 673, something about a pattern you should create. It is in my point of view, something that you can do easily with the MAKEARRAY function. If you don't know the MAKEARRAY function, I will link a video somewhere here. And yeah, let's start. So MAKEARRAY, 3 rows, 3 columns. So, and now you can see you get here always the row number, in this case the column number, and now you can say if A equals B, then you get there a true, so you get the first diagonal. And then if this is true, then you want to have CHAR 64 plus A. And then you get there because 64 is like the first 65 is A, so the first Unicode character. You get there the first set of characters, and now it's getting a little bit more tricky because we also need this for the other direction. So therefore I make this n a separate argument. So this is n, and then if this is true, or how is it done? I think B equals 3 minus A or something, or n minus A, something like that. Then we want to do the same. There's a problem. Oh yeah. No, it's not the same. Plus 1. Oh yeah, here we go. And if it's nothing, then we want to have nothing here. So we start here from how can I explain the second part? So the column number, so in this case 1, should be the same as 3 minus, in this case it's row 3 plus 1, so 1 should be 1, and then it's a match. Also here 2 should be 2, and 1, and so on and so on. No, I think my explanation was wrong, but anyways. So now we can copy this, and yeah, you see everything is as it should be, and we have solved the challenge. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.